When you log into the app, you will see to the left-hand side on the menu, you'll see exercises. This is where you have access to my entire exercise library if you wanted to create your own workout. You will also see plans. This is where you will see the plans that are available to the membership. Everyone who enrolls is automatically enrolled in the monthly workouts, so the January workouts will be what is populated on your calendar. You will also see resources. This is where you will see, once it loads here, there are tons of resources here from recipes, macro tracking guide, a macro calculator, different videos on calorie cycling, nutrition periodization that are in the resources. And then there is also the settings option where you can change your time zone, metrics. If you weigh in kilograms, you can change all of that there. Also, what I wanted to show you guys is when you go to this dashboard here, you will see the little red dots are indicators of workouts that are scheduled on your calendar, and red means that it's not completed yet. So if we go to one of these workouts on Monday, the legs and core, when you see the workout here, so the first thing is your warm-up. You can start the timer to do a 5-minute warm-up. It'll count that down for you. We're just going to go back out of this into the workout, so it'll complete that with a green check mark. If we go down to the first set, so you will see anything that is a single exercise will be just gray. If it is a superset, it's going to be in blue, and circuits, so that's 3 or more moves in one group, will be in green. So our hip thrust here, if we click on that, and you can see at the very top, view alternate exercise. So for those of you at home, you can use this to replace exercises for gym equipment that you do not have access to at home. So for this example, obviously a barbell on a Smith machine, you more than likely won't have access to that at home, so you can use the hip thrust with hold option. You can click use and that'll add it to your workout. But if we are using this regular hip thrust here, you will see that you can log your reps and your weight. So you can add the weight in here just by tapping that and done. You can also change the reps up and down if those increased or decreased on each set. So you will go through and you've got the rest timer that you can start after each set as well. So once you complete this, all 4 sets, if you hit C1 in the top right corner, that will take you to the next exercise in the series. So this is the Bulgarian split squat. Again, you've got alternate exercises here if you need to replace that. And once you log the weight that you use on this and log the exercise and you hit C2, it'll take you to the weighted glute bridge, which is the superset for this. So we'll just say that we logged this one as well. And when you go back to the C1, it'll take you again back to the Bulgarian split squat because you have 3 sets to complete of that. So it'll take you back and forth each time. But we are going to click the workout and go back out to the main screen here so I can show you a couple other things. So on the machine leg extensions, we're going to click that. Again, you've got the view alternate exercise for those of you who do not have a leg extension machine at home. So you can replace that with a goblet squat and just hit use. The other thing to mention here is the icons or symbols at the bottom of the screen. So the wrench, if you select that, that will allow you to add or remove any sets. So if you're someone who is on a time crunch, you only have so much time to work with, you can go in and you can easily hit the little minus button and you can delete sets out, do whatever works for you. The little clock or timer is the history button. So this will show you that exercise, previous exercises with that move in it, and what you did in terms of weights and reps so that you're able to compare. And then if we hit the information button, this will just bring up a larger video of the exercise so you can see for proper form. And the little paper is for you to enter any exercise notes that you want to. And the star is so that you can make it a favorite if you choose to do that. So if we go back out to the workout screen, again, you can go through and complete each of those. When you're finished, if you hit the log button in the top right corner, that will complete the workout for you. And if you close that out, it'll take you back to your calendar and it makes it a green little dot so that it shows that it's completed. If you accidentally completed the workout and didn't mean to, you can come down here to the legs and core, the 3 little dots, and touch those, and you can delete the workout and it will just reset it. You can also move the workout to a different day. So we'll just delete it so it'll turn it back red. That way we're able to do that for tomorrow. But again, you can move those around on your calendar as you need to. But yeah, that is pretty much the gist of how that is set up. I hope you guys enjoy.